And we back. Welcome back. This is day 8 of adding one piece of embroidery to this hoodie until it is completely full. Let's get it. For this project, we're going to be adding the brother bird. He sews, I sew, together we sew. Shout out brother for making it happen. For this project, we're going to need white, pink, gold, tangerine, yellow, lemon yellow, lime green, forest green, blizzard pearl, purple, and gray. Cut your stabilizer. Loosen your stencil. Place your stencil. Load your thread. And begin. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ate. Day 9 tomorrow. We're going to see you there. See you back tomorrow.